In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Amazon orders. Whether you're trying to keep a surprise purchase under wraps or just want to tidy up your order history, I'm here to guide you through the process of archiving your Amazon orders step by step. Let's get started. First, you need to go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Ensure that you're using the correct credentials for the account where your orders are placed. This is an essential step because you'll need access to your order history, and being logged in is the only way to do that. If you're someone who uses multiple accounts, double check to ensure you're in the right one because it can make all the difference in viewing your specific orders. Once you're logged in, the next step involves navigating to a particular part of the Amazon interface. Look towards the upper right of your screen and you should see an option that says Returns and Orders. Click on that. This section acts as your gateway to all things related to your past purchases. It's where Amazon keeps a chronological list of everything you've ordered while using the platform. It's organized and easy to navigate. Now that you're in the Returns and Orders section, you'll see a listing of your past orders. You might have a few pages to scroll through, depending on how much you've ordered over time. Here's where the key action happens. You're going to look for the specific order you want to hide, or more technically, archive. Scrutinize the list carefully, especially if you're hiding an order placed a while back. Once you've found the order that you need to archive, you'll notice a small button next to it labeled Archive Order. Click on that button. What this does is it effectively moves the selected order out of your main order history view and into a separate archive section. It doesn't delete the order, so rest assured if you need to reference it later, it will still be accessible but only in that archive section. This is really helpful for maintaining the organization of your account, especially if you have orders you don't want at the forefront of your history every time you log in. And that's it. Your order is now tucked away, out of immediate view, giving you that little bit of extra privacy, or simply decluttering your order history to make things a bit more manageable. Feel free to keep archiving as many orders as you need. Hopefully this guide has been clear and straightforward, making your Amazon experience a tad more tailored to your preference. Thanks for tuning into our video today, and we'll see you next time with more handy tips.